Hey my lovelies, this is Mutulu here, and today I'm showing you how to make a quick orange soda using Jamaican oranges. And the Jamaican oranges are usually green skinned, greenish orangey skin. I'm just removing the outer layer, and then I'm going to show you the rest of the process. This is very simple. All you need is a blender, and even if you don't actually have a blender, you can just hand squeeze this. It's very simple. Say for instance you're a soda junkie, this would be a good alternative for you. If you're someone that is a bit of a wino, this would be a good alternative to you. Or someone that likes to drink a lot of beer and you want to cut down, this could be an alternative for you. So as you can see, that's all it is. Very simple. What I didn't show you is that I did squeeze a bit of lime in this. Not all that was shown, maybe about 5 or so. You can add some or you can totally omit it, it's up to you. So here we have a bit of agave. I would suggest for you to add your agave in increments and just go by your own palate. So I roughly added about, it was 2 liters of the carbonated water. Get yourself some high grade quality, please. Alright, now you don't have to use the carbonated water. You can literally just work with still water, or if you're feeling jazzy and you're able to gain access, you can use coconut water. It's up to you. If you want to learn more recipes like this, I have a cookbook called Cook with Mutulu, and you can get it via mutulu.co.uk. It's available in ebook and print. Take care.